Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. The square root we change by a minus bx to the power of 1 over 2. Next, if we want to put this one go to numerator, we need to put the negative sign on the power. So that should be like this. So we put the negative next to the power in here. Next, we have the formula. The integration of as plus b to the power of c. We have as plus b to the power of c plus 1 over a multiplied by c plus 1. And later that, I will put about c. This one that is about the constant. Now we can apply the formula in here. So this one we have 1 over 2. This one we have 1 over 2. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.